Welcome guys, today we will replace the battery. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove back cover of the phone. Apply heat around the fingerprint scanner because tape is attached around the fingerprint scanner. Keep finger on the fingerprint scanner and pull up the back cover. Remove screws from metal protection cover. Remove metal protection cover. Remove fingerprint scanner. Disconnect the battery. Keep phone on glass separator for 10 minutes for battery softness. Remove battery with X-ray. Do not use any metal tool for battery remove. Metal tool can blast the battery. Apply gasoline on the X-ray. Do not insert gasoline under the battery, it can damage LCD light papers. Remove glue from the place of battery inside the body. Apply double-sided tape on the place of battery. Install battery in the body. Connect battery connector. Install fingerprint scanner. Install metal protection cover. Put back screws on the metal protection cover. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.